Good evening to all our viewers and listeners. Today we are going to prepare the soil for our vegetables or kitchen garden. No doubt vegetables are commonly available in our market, but there is a lot of use of pesticides and fertilizers in the market vegetables, which are not only harmful for human health but also have negative effects on our environment. World is shifting towards organic farming, and kitchen gardening is the most important and the best step for all of us. Only a little area is required to start the kitchen gardening. Even we can start producing on our roofs or walls. The most important and initial step to start the kitchen gardening is the preparation of the soil. We can prepare our vegetable soil in few important and simple steps. So let's start the process. So stay focused with us. I hope you are enjoying the video. Now we have three basic gradients of our vegetable soil. You can see on the screen. First component is the garden soil, also called as the loamy soil. We will take the 70% of the garden soil. The second and the most important component is the manure, also called as the cow dung manure or vermicompost. We will take the 25% of the vermicompost. The third and the most important components, it is also most important than the manure, it is the river sand, and we will take 5 to 7% of the river sand. Our first component is the garden soil. You can see the small particles. First one is the, you can see the leaf branches or small decomposed leaves or many micro plants, also called as the decomposed plants. There is no need to remove these particles from our garden soil because they help in the provision of the small quantity of the basic nutrients to our vegetables. Next, we will move towards our second most important component, which is manure. Manure is a natural source of nutrients or organic fertilizers. Manure provides the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and many other micronutrients which help out in the plant growth and fruiting. The third component is the river sand. It helps in the basic root infiltration and spreading of roots. Here I also want to add another feature of manure. Manure provides the natural fertilizers, which means that there is no need to add the artificial nitrogen or phosphorus to our vegetables. It will make our organic vegetables pure. Now we should mix our components of soil. It is better to mix all components of the soil very well. You can see the mixing of the soil. Well mixing of the soil will help us to grow better plant growth. It will lead to the maximum provision of the nutrients to all our plants. You can see the mixing of the soil. It's going very well. Take from the other side also. Our soil mixing is going very well. I think it's mixed fully. Stop. Finally, our soil mixture is ready. Now we should put the soil mixture in our small pots. So we can see it. Chal. You can see we are adding our soil mixture in our small pots. So finally our pots are ready to grow any type of vegetable. Our soil is rich in nutrients. So finally it is ready to sow any type of the vegetable. So keep watching us and stay blessed. We will update you in the next videos for more farming activities, and we will show many type of vegetables in our pots. So stay blessed and stay focused on our videos. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.